Hi guys, so I am back with another video. Finally, I am back with a huge gel polish haul. I went to the nail supply store and I picked up a ton of gel polish, so I just want to show y'all. I do apologize, I did forget to show the first two bottles that I swatched, but I will be putting those names on the screen. So I didn't show myself swatching the gel polishes because I didn't want the video to be too long. Also, majority of the gel polishes that I got today were DND Gold's collection, which I honestly prefer it better than the regular one because they are thicker and also more pigmented as well. They were $6.50 at my local beauty supply store, which is not bad at all. Usually DND, especially their sets, are usually like $9 or $10, so $6.50 is a pretty good deal. So I did pick up a couple of the regular D&D gel polishes. Like, they are okay, they're not bad, it's just that they're not as pigmented as the gold version, and you have to use about 3 coats. Well, yeah, with some of these colors I did use 3 coats, but they're not bad, it's just you just have to use 3 coats with I also picked up 2 sets of Nail Supply Glamour gel polish and Igel Beauty gel polish. Basically, I'm on a mission, y'all. I'm on a mission to find the best gel polish. So with Nail Supply Glamour gel polish, it's a really good consistency. Ugh, I hate that word. And it's really pigmented. The price is around $7.50, so it is kind of on the more. No, it's $8 basically. So it's a little bit more expensive than DND, but it's still good quality though. So for the Igel Beauty gel polishes, this is my first time ever purchasing it. I didn't have any issue except with this one. When I had swatched it, an air pocket got caught in it. I don't know if it was my fault or it was gel polish. I didn't have any issues with all the other gel polish that I purchased. I didn't have any issues with those. It's only this one I had an issue and an air pocket got in it. I don't know where it came from. The second color that I got from Igel Beauty, I didn't have any issues with it at all. So I haven't used these polishes on anyone just yet, so I don't know if I want to go back to the store and get any more. They were pretty cheap. They were actually $5 each for a set, which is a pretty damn good price. But yeah, if you guys ever use Igel Beauty, please tell me how y'all experience was. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, please check out my IG, J Loves Nails, especially if you're looking for some nail inspo or you just want to see some cute nails. Just check it out. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.